Today we're going to replace the rear door interior latch, allowing it to be opened from the inside even if the outside handle is locked on the Glaval bus. Tools you'll need: needle nose, 3/8 socket with either an impact or a ratchet, a Sharpie, a cutoff saw or hacksaw, the new latch assembly, and a parts holding. First thing we got to do is, on the outside of the door, the handle must be in the downward position. It has to be that way in order for this system to work properly. Next, we're going to actually remove the rods, the retaining clips. On there, there's going to be a washer and a rubber washer. Retain the rubber washer. We're going to throw away the steel washer. The inside, it's got the same thing, a rubber and a steel washer. Keep the rubber washer. Do the same thing to the other rod. Now, next step is, in order for the new handle assembly to fit, there's the shaft right here is going to have to be cut off flush with the mechanism. So you want to mark that. This will need clearance for the new door handle. And then once we remove the assembly, we're going to cut that off prior to installing the new assembly. The new assembly can be purchased from us here at Glaval. It can be purchased from Glaval or from me. Okay, it's cut off. We deburred the edges a little bit so the new handle will slide on there easily. Reinstall the screws. Should line up with the exact original spots. Now he's going to install a rubber washer on each one of the studs. Rod, then another rubber washer. The rubber washer. Now the handle. Retaining clip. Retaining clip again. Downward position is locked. Upward position is unlocked.